guys! So this time our team will talk about segmenting, positioning, and targeting. So happy watching! Bye bye! Hi.
Hi. Sorry.
Hello? Hello? Do you hear me? Hello? I have a bad connection. Oh my god, why my connection is so bad?
Hi, which internet provider do you use? Why are you having such a bad connection?
I use the Indosat because the price cheaper than others. Anyway, what is internet provider?
So, there are still some people who don't really know what internet provider is. Do you want to know what internet provider is? Let's jump into the explanation.
The internet we know today wasn't invented with the same purpose. Almost 60 years ago, in 1969, the US government Defense Department created a communication system that could survive a nuclear attack. This network system, called ARPANET or Advanced Research Project Agency Network, that later resulted in Internet. As time goes by, the Internet is accessible to the public. People from around the world could exchange and access information in just a mere minutes or seconds even. We could say that the internet today is an important part of our daily life, that it becomes necessary. In Indonesia alone, there are several big internet providers that offer different packages, features, and of course different prices. Number 1. Telkomsel. Established in 1995 by PT Telekomunikasi Indonesia and PT Indosat. Telkomsel launched Sympathy in 1997 as the first prepaid card in Asia, then launched the first mobile banking service in Indonesia in 2000. In 2006, introduced the first 3G network in Indonesia. Later in 2012, becomes the 6th largest cellular operator in the world with 125 million subscribers, and finally in 2017 conducts 5G trial. Number 2. Indosat. Indosat was established in 1967 as the first foreign investment company in Indonesia that provides international telecommunication services using an international satellite. In 1980, Indosat becoming the first international company that was acquired and 100% owned by the Indonesian government. But eventually in 2009, Qatar Telecom bought majority of the shares of the company with a 65% ownership. In 2018, Indosat has new strategy and trial for 5G implementation. Number 3. Smartfren. In 2015, PT Smartfren Telecom launched the first 4G LTE advanced service in Indonesia, and in 2016, it became the first telecommunication company that offers voice over LTE service. Number 4. XL Axiata was established in 1989 and was rebranding its logo and marketed its prepaid and postpaid brands in 2006. The next year, Etisalat, the second largest telecommunication company in the Middle East, became shareholder of XL Axiata. Finally, it acquired Axis in 2014. Number 5. 3. 3 was founded in 2002 in Hong Kong. The mobile phone networks and broadband internet provider operated in Hong Kong, Macau, Austria, Denmark, Indonesia, Ireland, Italy, Sweden, and UK. From these tables, we can conclude several things about the 5 providers.
First, Telkomsel is the favorite brand for workers and entrepreneurs because of its high quality connection. This type of consumer is a heavy user and an achiever, namely busy, ambitious, and mobile people. Second, college students and high schoolers. They tend to use the internet heavily due to their need to be highly sociable. They like something with lots of features like types of the internet quota, and their favorite brand are Indosat and Smartfren. The last section are 3 and XL. As the favorite brands of value-oriented people like housewife, they are the medium users and also highly considered price of a product. There are 4 types of market targeting. First one is undifferentiated marketing. This is when there's no market segment difference, just one product for all. Second is differentiated marketing. The company like this type is offering separate products. Example, Telkomsel sells different kind of providers like AS, Simpati, and Kartu Halo. Next is concentrated marketing that targets our group of consumer like Tropical Naslim for diabetical or old people. Last but not least is micro marketing that targets specific individual and location. Example, Walmart sells warps at the store near office. Individual marketing is one-to-one marketing to satisfy individual customer. This internet provider mostly use differentiated marketing, except 3 that use undifferentiated marketing. Telkomsel, Indosat, XL, and Smartfren all have several products targeting different kind of people.
Described call it positioning map. Its aim is to show consumer perception of certain products. Even though Telkomsel is up there with the price, it has a fairly good connection. On the other side, XL plays last with second lowest price but poorest connection out of 5 providers. Indosat is just about the same as XL, but its price is slightly cheaper and the connection is a little bit better than XL. Then there is Smartfren on the second place with average price and a little bit connection. 3 placed third, just like its name. The price is just below average and the connection is slightly inclined to poor. And now about brand elements. First is Telkomsel. All the product use red color, never really change its logo. Its current slogan is Most Indonesian. It represents its reachability throughout the country of Indonesia. And the second is Indosat. Mostly uses below for its product changes its logo after acquired by Qatar Telecom. The company's name also changed to Indosat Ooredoo. The slogan is "We are committed to making Indonesia a better digital world," due to their belief that digital help make our life better. And the third is Smartfren. Smartfren changed its logo in early 2018 from the red-orange ear to its mother company Sinarmas Group logo to represent its part of the company's business. Smartfren's slogan is the winner of 4G Internet to emphasize that it is the only provider operates fully in 4G connection. And the fourth is XL Axiata. XL Axiata changes its logo multiple times but consistently maintains its X and L letters and uses the blue colors as well. The slogan says the pioneer of 4.5G as its claim to be the first to operate in said connection. The last is 3. Slogan is your mobile lifestyle provider. It changes the color of the logo multiple times but maintains the shape of number 3 with the fire patterns. So from this analysis, we can conclude that most of the biggest internet providers in Indonesia differentiate their targeted markets based on their age and behavior. Most probably because this type of segmentation will be more beneficial for the company.
time our group. So guys, this time our group.
Oh Karin.
Jack, stop Jack. Stop Jack.
Lo bilang. Pretend that it's a bad connection. Pretend that it's a bad connection.
Let's jump.
Alright,
Let's shampoo. Let's shampoo. Let's shampoo. Kayaknya itu harus pakai teks aja deh.